You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
Hello and welcome to lab number 70, creating a knowledge-based article for printer issue. Let's move ahead. We are going to perform the same steps that we did in previous lab, which was lab number 69. So I'm still logged in as my primary account. We'll click on Jira Service Management and we are going to click on NetSoft IT Service Management. We'll directly go to knowledge base. If you see the article that previously we have created, it is over here. We are now creating another article and we are going to name it as unable to print. Okay, so it has some troubleshooting steps. Let's give the description, the steps that we have. Okay, so these are the steps. Now let's click on publish. Scroll up, click on publish, copy this shareable link, open a new tab. We are going to add this copied URL and here you go. We have this over here. Okay, review all the steps that you have given. Close this. So this is the second KB article that you have created. That's it for this lab. See you in the next one. In the next lab also, we are going to work on KB articles. That's it for this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.